Hey guys, this is Tyler here, and yesterday, my mom did order me a Rubik's Cube a couple days ago, and do you want me to show you it? Of course you do, so let's come over here. One sec. I took out of the box already, guys, but this is it. It came so I mixed up. As you can see, I've kind of almost on the right side. So I'm going to place you guys down here. I'll try to solve this. I haven't solved one before, guys, so don't expect me to be super good, you know. It's my first try, guys, so don't expect it to be super good. But this is how I got onto the right so far. So now time to put it in its box. So time to put this guys down here once again. And also make sure you subscribe to Emily K 8542, I think it is. Because I made sure the account, and I'll put her channel in the description. Okay, guys? Look, this is one. Oh! Guys, I just don't know. Penny, come here. Look, this is Penny, guys. She's been in the vicious dog video and a couple other videos. Having a piece.
Push a letter button or take
Yes. Yeah, she's not giving me notice. This was okay, guys. So make sure you subscribe and leave a comment and leave a like for Rubik's Cubes. Leave a like if you can solve a Rubik's Cube, and subscribe and like if you can solve it. I have one, and just subscribe if you have one. Okay, guys. Bye.